Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do another fall look. I like an orangey brownish with a wing liner. I haven't done a wing liner in forever, and this is how I used to do my makeup. Like 2017-18, I would do a lot of wing liner. I don't know why I stopped. I don't know. And I used to wear my hat like this and big hoops. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do my makeup like I used to do a few years back, if I remember. I don't remember that much, but I'm gonna do it. Use this palette. Gonna go with the yellow. Yeah, that was when the first Morphe 35 palette came out. Yeah, around 2016, around there. I used to use that palette a lot, and I would do a lot of orangey brownish looks. Now I steer away from orange, brown, natural looks. I use more color, which is weird. It's supposed to be backwards, right? Like the older you get, the more neutral brown looks you do. I don't know. It's weird. I switched. I probably switched back to orange, brown colors. I think like whenever I first started learning about makeup, I think I was more in the safe zone, and then now that I'm more comfortable, I do color and like paint and draw. I do funky colors. It's just a phase, maybe. I don't know. I love color, everything color. I get bored with orange and brown looks, but if I go out, I'll wear it. But for my Instagram and YouTube, I prefer color and be more creative. That's sort of my thing. So, yeah, and around the time I was more into Morphe, and I would watch a lot of Jaclyn Hill. And I don't watch her anymore. I don't watch a lot of big YouTubers anymore since all the beauty industry drama happened. I used to watch Manny Way, Laura Lee, Jeffree Star, but after those things that happened, you know what? I just couldn't. I just stopped. And now I'm starting to watch big YouTubers again, but not those that I mentioned that I used to watch, like Kathleen Knights. I still watch her. Also, I stopped watching beauty YouTube because they made me waste my money. I was like, yeah, I can't. I need to stop because I don't want to be homeless. I'm just no. It was bad. I couldn't control myself. Like if I watched a video and they showed a product, like I would quickly want to buy it. I was like, this is too much. So for me, I had to stop watching beauty YouTube. And then I don't know, since I already knew how to do makeup, I just did my own thing. I didn't have to watch tutorials to learn. I just did my own thing, and I still do. So yeah. I'm gonna add an orange now. This orange. Smudge Proof Liquid Eyeliner. This costs like $1, I think. This is my favorite liquid eyeliner. I used to use it a lot. I would buy a lot of these. The only thing is that I don't like when that happens. You see it's stiletto. Eyeliner pencil. Back then I wouldn't use eyelashes. I think the first time I started wearing them was around 2018. Around 2018 I think. I'm not sure. And I used to contour. I wouldn't really use blush that much. Yeah, I think that was when it was popular, like 2016, 2017. I put too much. So I'm gonna contour because I don't know how. I mean, I don't need a contour because of my face shape. I just wear blush and that's it. So I didn't really care to practice that much. It's because in YouTube I don't see people in my nose shape, so I don't know how to contour it. I feel like It looks bigger when I contour it, so I just leave it on. I know how to contour this, but not this. I don't know. I keep messing up. But yeah, I hardly contour or use wing liner or orange eyeshadow. I don't know, just don't. Here. I'm still gonna add a blush because that's what I use right now. This is old for cosmetics collab. Kathleen Lightstead, the Miami Fever. I think this was one of her first collab brands. Or no, it was color. I don't know. I bought like 3 or 4 of these for backup because it's like a unique color. I was like, I don't think they're gonna keep sending it, so this one's dry. I should open a new one, but it's still worth. I wouldn't recommend using expired makeup, but this is the perfect fall shade, and I have a lot of these. I don't know where they are, but I remember buying backup